Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, I can uh, buat artikel berita. Oke, this is code new start. Oke, the given code is a Flutter implementation that defines a news class, which is a subclass of stateless widget. This class has two optional properties: title and image. Inside the build method, it defines the layout of the widget to be displayed. The layout consists of an image with shimmer effect of using fancy shimmer image and a text displaying the news title. The image is displayed in a fixed width box with an aspect ratio of 4:3, while the title text has a maximum of 2 lines and will be truncated with an ellipsis if it exceeds the limit. The code demonstrates the use of various widgets and properties from Flutter, as padding, row, box, and aspect ratio, fancy shimmer image, and text. The use of properties like max lines and overflow on the text widget also shows how to handle the display of long text. The code serves as an example of how create a layout to display a news title along with its image with a similar effect using Flutter, a framework used to build user interface UI for Android and iOS platform. Okay, this is a news folder. Okay, the profit code is a function that makes an API request using the geo package in Flutter. It takes a URL and optional method and optional data as parameter inside the function. It uses the Dio instance to make a request to the specific URL with the given method and data. The function is asynchronous and it awaits the response from the API request before returning it. This code is a party of building a news app in Flutter, which involves making API requests to fetch real-time news data. Video package is used for making network requests in Flutter, and this function encapsulates the logic for making API calls in the context of a news app. The search result did not provide a direct explanation of the code, but they did offer insight into building a news app in Flutter and the use of API requests for fetching news data. If you need further information or details about specific aspect of the code, please let me know this. This API code and this top news model Dart. The provide code is a set of Dart classes used to model news data for Flutter application. The top news model class represents the top news data, including the status, total number of results, and a list of articles. The article class represents an individual news article containing various properties such as the source, author, title, description, URL, image URL, publication date, and content. Additionally, there is a source class that reference the source of the news article. The code includes methods to convert the model to and from JSON, which is a common practice when working with API data in Flutter. These classes are typically used to parse JSON responses from a news API into Dart objects and vice versa. The coder is part of a Flutter application that likely vessel real-time news data from a news API, such as News API org, and display it in the app. The user of the decentralized demonstrates the implementation of a model layer in the application following best practice, such as that modeling and serialization and distribution of JSON data. The code is in line with the development of a newsreader app, Flutter, which is a popular framework for building trusted platform application as mentioned in the provided search result. Okay, this code. Okay, next. Okay, this homepack.dart. Okay, the given code is a Flutter implementation of a news app. It defines a homepack class, which is a subclass of stateful widget. Inside the build method, it uses the consumer widget to listen to changes in the news provider and display a list of news articles with their titles and images. The refresher widget is used to enable the user to refresh the news list by pulling down the screen. And the app also has a search feature that can be accessed by typing the search icon in the app bar. The code demonstrates the use of various widgets and properties from Flutter, such as customer refreshing indicator, scaffold, app bar, icon button, single child score view, padding, column, and center. It also shows how to use the provider package to manage the state of the app and fetch data from an API. The code serves as an example of how to create a news app using Flutter, a framework used to build user interface for Android and iOS platform. Okay, this Spec Dart. Okay, and this Spec Dart. This is called as Spec Dart. The given code is a Flutter implementation of a source spec that allows user to search for news articles. It defines a source spec class, which is a subclass of stateful widget inside the build method. It defines the layout of the widget to be displayed. The layout consists of a search bar, a search button, and a list of news articles that match the search query. The list of news articles is displayed using the news widget defined in another file. The search spec class uses the consumer widget from the provider package to listen to changes in the news provider class. The news provider class is responsible for fetching news articles from an API and storing them in memory. When the user enters a search query and clicks the search button, the search method of the news provider class is called to fetch news articles that match the source query. The code demonstrates the use of various widget and package from Flutter, such as text from field, icon button, customer circular, progress indicator, provider. It also shows how to use the news provider class to fetch news articles from API and store them in memory. Overall, the code serves as an example of how to create a source spec for a news app using Flutter, a framework used to build user interface UI for Android iOS platform. Okay, next, news provider. In this news provider Dart, the provider The Prophet code is a part of a Flutter application. It includes a news provider class that utilizes the change notifier mixin. This class manages the state related to news data, such as loading status and the actual news content. It also includes methods to fetch the top news and perform search based on the provided query. The fetching of news data is done using on API, and the results are stored in the REST news and REST search properties after being processed into the top news model instance. The class also includes function to update the loading status and notify the listeners about the state change. The code demonstrates the use of Flutter and the provider package to manage the application state. It follows the change notifier pattern to notify the UI about the change in the state, such as the loading status and the retrieved news data. The API function used in the code is likely custom function or part of the imported API Dart file, which is responsible for making HTTP requests to specified endpoints and handling the response. The overall structure of the code suggests that it is part of a news application with Flutter, and it follows the principles of clean architecture and state management. Recorder is a party of a large application that is defined to fetch and display news data, and it is integrated with external API, possibly news API to retrieve the news article. Code is consistent with the practice outlined in the provider resource tools as building a news app with Flutter and implementing archive. So, okay, next consider. This is a cons base URL http news API org and cons API. This is API k. This is k. This main dart. Okay, and the last is main dart. And the Prophet code is a Flutter application entry point. It defines my app class, which is a subclass of stateless widget. Inside the build method, it returns a multiple fader widget, which is used to provide an instance of news provider using change notifier provider. The material app widget is wrapped inside multi provider, and it sets up the root of the application. It disables the debug banner, sets the app's title, defines them, and sets the home page to home page. This code demonstrates the use of the provider package in Flutter to manage the application state and the use of material app as the root widget for the application. The news provider is likely used to manage the state related to news data, and the home page is the initial page of the application. The source is that provide information and internationalizing Flutter apps, building a news reader app in Flutter, and implementing clean architecture in a news app built with Flutter. However, they do not directly relate to specific code perfect. Okay, and can we derive Oke, white. Oke, this application with API, this API and this error, API-nya error. This we can source berita Apple. This Apple has favorite media. Okay. Okay, thanks for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.